Welcome, my fellow millionaires in the making. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance, billionaire style. From the likes of Warren Buffett to Elon Musk, these financial titans have left us with a wealth of knowledge on how to achieve financial success. But why settle for just $1 million when you can aim for the stars and become a billionaire? In this video, we'll be uncovering 6 pieces of personal finance advice from billionaires that will help you take control of your finances and build your empire. So, grab your notepad, sit back, and let's get started on this journey to billionaire status. And here are 6 pieces of personal finance advice from billionaires. Number 1, invest in yourself. According to Warren Buffett, the best investment you can make is in yourself. This means constantly learning, growing, and developing your skills to reach new heights of success and financial freedom. Investing in yourself can take many forms, from pursuing higher education and attending seminars to honing your skills through practical experience and networking. But what sets the most successful billionaires apart is their unrelenting pursuit of self-improvement. They recognize that investing in themselves is the key to unlocking their full potential and achieving greatness. So, my fellow millionaires in the making, I urge you to prioritize investing in yourself. Surround yourself with successful mentors, read books, attend conferences, and most importantly, never stop learning. By doing so, you'll not only gain a competitive advantage, but you'll also develop the resilience and adaptability needed to thrive in today's rapidly changing world. In the end, the greatest luxury in life is not material possessions, but the ability to constantly grow and improve. So go ahead, invest in yourself, you're worth it. Number 2, discover your passion. One of the things you need to do to become successful like Oprah Winfrey is discovering your passion. Oprah is a prime example of what can happen when you find your calling, bet on yourself, and build an empire. She says that what you believe is what you become, and where you are in life right now is based on everything you've believed. This applies to every aspect of your life, including your investments, side hustles, and hobbies. Finding what fuels you and being true to yourself is the key to achieving greatness. Don't be afraid to take risks and bet on yourself, because when you do what you love, success will follow. So go out there and discover your passion, and don't let anyone or anything stand in your way. Number 3, reach your dreams with both short and long-term goals. Tom Monahan's advice on goal setting is a great reminder that setting and working towards both short and long-term goals is crucial for personal growth and development. Monahan's approach to goal setting is not about achieving every goal, but instead, having a mindset of continuous growth and never-ending aspirations. Having both realistic and ambitious goals is key to staying motivated, and it's important to never stop working towards them, even after achieving them. The fulfillment that comes with achieving a goal can be a double-edged sword, as it can also signal the end of personal growth. Monahan's advice is to always have new goals to work towards to avoid complacency and maintain a growth mindset. By following Monahan's advice, we can keep pushing ourselves to achieve our full potential and never stop growing as individuals. Number 4, have an emergency fund. John Paul DeJoria, the founder of Patron Tequila and John Paul Mitchell Systems hair products, stresses the importance of having an emergency fund. Growing up in a poor immigrant household, DeJoria lived out of his car and collected bottles to provide for himself and his young son. Despite those struggles, he made sure to have a financial cushion before launching his business ventures. According to DeJoria, it's crucial to have enough money saved for at least 6 months to pay bills or handle any unexpected financial issues before investing or starting a company. No matter how successful your business may become, unexpected bills, emergencies, or other costs can arise, and it's important to be financially prepared to handle them. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and allow you to focus on growing your business without worrying about unexpected financial setbacks. Number 5, failure is okay. Even the most successful people experience failure, as Mexican businessman Carlos Slim Hello attests. He owns holdings in hundreds of companies, including the New York Times, Saks Fifth Avenue, and many Mexican companies through Grupo Carso. Slim believes that when we confront our problems, they eventually disappear. He encourages learning from failures and using them as stepping stones to success. It's common to experience setbacks on the road to financial success, and it's important to learn from those experiences. By viewing failures as opportunities for growth and improvement, we can change our mindset to one that fosters personal development. Failure should not be seen as a defeat, but as an opportunity to learn and get back up again. Successful people see failure as a natural part of the learning process and use their experiences to help them achieve their goals. Number 6. Michael Bloomberg, the founder of Bloomberg LP and former New York City mayor, has interacted with numerous Nobel Prize winners and observed that they all share a commitment to lifelong learning. Bloomberg believes that continuous learning is critical for personal growth and success. This mindset should extend to our financial lives as well, as financial literacy is essential for making informed decisions and achieving financial well-being. It's important to reflect on what we learn each day, whether it's about personal finance or any other subject, as it provides a sense of accomplishment and helps us maintain a positive attitude. While most of us may not become billionaires, we can still lead comfortable financial lives by investing time and effort into our financial education and decision-making. The key to financial success is a growth mindset and a commitment to lifelong learning. In conclusion, these pieces of personal finance advice from billionaires remind us of the importance of investing in ourselves, living below our means, diversifying our investments, taking calculated risks, and setting both short and long-term goals. By adopting a growth mindset and committing to lifelong learning, we can achieve financial success and lead comfortable lives. So, let's start taking these steps towards financial well-being, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video for more valuable insights.